I thought you had to climb the stair, right? You ready to go up? Huh? Hmm? Dodo.
Come on. I'm not even letting you down climb the stairs. Come on. Please.
Let go. Let go. You ready?
Daddy, what's this? Let's get it on my lap.
This is YB Benda Bernice. She will be 1 year old on the 24th.
And I'm going to be 6.
And this is YB Benda. She's going to be 6 next January.
Thank you.
Uh-oh. Okay, 2 more minutes. Hey, don't do that, babe. Something that I could break. Hey, we'll put those socks on that. Looking at Martha Coma right now. She looking at overhead Lucy. Tata. Tata. Tata.
You got my ear.
Tata.
I don't know.
Tata. Leave her. Okay, you got something to say, lady? Lady, I gotta go. Do you have something to say? YB, do you have something to say? What do you have to say?
I am so happy you could see this video. And
You need to speak out.
that's the way I'm going to tell it. I want that.
Okay, Bernice, what do you have to say? Bernice, I love you. You love me. You love me.
That's her singing.
Happy family with a great big hug
Come on,
and a kiss from me to you.
let's go.
Won't you say you love
Now me.
me too?
Come on, sing it. What's the camera at me?
Dodo. Okay, I'm going to sit down and eat my dinner. Okay?
Daddy, 1 more? 2 more? Now,
Yeah, leave her. She'll come. Let her have fun. Be careful.
Really fast.
Okay. Hey, where you looking? Okay, I'm going to eat. Yeah, bye. Bye-bye.